Hey everybody, so today I got a new portable blender. This one was sent over to me to review. All right, so in the box we have our user manual, Go Power Elite. We have our blender thing here. And we have our base. So it's a little bigger than I expected for a personal blender. And here's our lid, so you could use this as a cup. All right, now to be honest, I can't stand smoothies, but my daughters love them, so they get them. All right, so I'm just doing some frozen berries, some Greek yogurt, and a little bit of milk. Anyway, let's go ahead and try it. So all you gotta do is just press it down, no buttons or anything. And there we go, super easy, quick smoothie. It blended really well. Didn't have too many issues with the frozen fruit. So there you go. If you're wanting a portable size smoothie blender or any kind of blender, this one does work pretty well. And you can always use this to drink out of as well. You don't even have to use another cup.